Let's install PHP on a Windows machine. XAMPP is an easy-to-install Apache distribution containing PHP, MySQL, and Perl. XAMPP stands for X, which represents a cross-platform Apache, MySQL, or MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. It's a free and open-source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache Friends, which provides a way to run a local web server on your computer for testing and development purposes. Step 1. Download XAMPP. Navigate to the XAMPP website. Download the XAMPP installer for Windows. Step 2. Install XAMPP. Run the downloaded installer and follow the instructions on the wizard. Select the required components such as Apache Web Server, MySQL database, and PHP. Complete the installation process. Step 3. Launch XAMPP Control Panel. The XAMPP Control Panel is a user-friendly graphical interface that allows you to manage the XAMPP components, which includes Apache HTTP Server, MySQL, PHP, and other components needed for local web development. Step 4. Verify PHP Install. Open a command prompt. Change working directory to PHP folder under the XAMPP folder. Issue the following PHP version command. That's it. You are done with the PHP installation process.